Hey everybody, welcome to today's channel. If you are interested in building materials or are looking for tips to enhance your building's performance, you've definitely come to the right place. Today we are going to dive into a very interesting topic. What exactly is the magic of adding fibers to foamed concrete? Don't underestimate this seemingly ordinary material. It has a lot of secrets. Foamed concrete has been widely used in the construction field. But did you know? When we add fibers into the foamed concrete, it is like being enchanted, and its performance is instantly enhanced. In the next few minutes, I'll take you on a journey to find out. First, the first important role of fibers is reinforcement. Foamed concrete is lightweight, but its strength has always been a concern. After adding fibers, these fibers are like countless tiny steel bars, evenly distributed in the concrete, greatly improving the tensile and compressive strength of concrete. Check out this experiment, where the foamed concrete with added fibers showed amazing toughness in compression tests, taking more pressure than regular foamed concrete before it started to deform. This is a visual representation of the reinforcing effect of fibers. In practice, this means that the building structure is more robust, better able to resist external impacts and pressures, and extends the service life of the building. Next up is another key role for fibers: crack resistance. Foamed concrete is susceptible to cracking due to water evaporation during the drying process, which not only affects aesthetics but also reduces the durability of the structure. But with the addition of fibers, the situation is very different. These fibers form a mesh structure inside the concrete that can effectively stop the expansion of cracks. Even in the case of small cracks, the fibers lock them in place, preventing them from expanding further. This crack resistance is particularly important in building facades. It prevents rainwater infiltration and moisture inside the wall, thus extending the life of the building and reducing maintenance costs. In addition to reinforcing and resisting cracking, the fibers significantly improve the thermal insulation properties of foamed concrete. Foamed concrete has excellent thermal insulation on its own, but the addition of fibers takes this effect to the next level. Fibers can further reduce the thermal conductivity of concrete, which means that it is harder for heat to transfer through the wall. In the cold winter months, heat is not easily lost from the interior. In the hot summer months, it is difficult for heat from the outside to enter the interior. This is so important for energy saving and improving living comfort. Imagine living in a house like this, warm in winter and cool in summer, and saving a lot of money on your electricity bill. Finally, let's talk about the effect of fibers on the durability of foamed concrete. Building structures need to be used for long periods of time in a variety of harsh environments, which requires materials with good durability. The addition of fibers allows foamed concrete to perform better when faced with environments such as moisture, high temperatures, and freeze-thaw cycles. These fibers are effective in preventing moisture migration and chemical attack within the concrete, thus extending the service life of the foamed concrete. Foamed concrete with fibers is better equipped to meet the challenges of both the humid seaside environment and the cold north. Well, my friends, today we explored the four main wonders of adding fibers to foamed concrete: reinforcement, crack resistance, thermal insulation, and improved durability. These roles give foamed concrete a wider range of applications in construction. The addition of fibers not only enhances the performance of foamed concrete, but also opens up more possibilities for the construction industry in the future. As technology continues to advance, I believe this material will play a greater role in creating stronger, more comfortable, and environmentally friendly buildings for us. If you are interested in this topic or have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting knowledge. See you next time.